never make these 9 apple eating mistakes again. Follow me, because by the end of this video, you'll wonder how you ever ate apples without knowing these game-changing tips. We all love apples, right? They're the perfect snack, easy to carry around, and come in so many varieties, from sweet to tart. But did you know that you might be making simple mistakes while eating apples that could be affecting your health, flavor, and even enjoyment? Don't worry, you're not alone. A lot of people are unknowingly eating apples the wrong way. Stay with me, and by the end of this video, you'll never make these 9 common apple eating mistakes again. 1. Throwing away the apple core. Let's start with the most obvious mistake. Most people toss the apple core in the trash, but did you know that the core is full of nutrients? It contains fiber, antioxidants, and even some of the best parts of the apple's health benefits. Sure, the seeds are a bit bitter, but you can easily cut around the core or simply eat the entire apple, seeds and all, in moderation. 2. Not washing the apple. You might think that since apples are usually clean when you buy them, you don't need to wash them. But think again. Apples are covered with pesticides, wax, and dirt that can be harmful to your health. Always wash your apples thoroughly with water, and if possible, use a veggie wash to get rid of any harmful chemicals. Even if you're planning to peel the apple, it's better to wash it first. 3. Eating apples on an empty stomach. Apple enthusiasts, listen up. While apples are packed with nutrients, eating them on an empty stomach might not be the best idea. Apples are high in fiber and can cause bloating or discomfort if consumed without any other food to balance it out. To avoid an upset stomach, pair your apple with a protein or fat source like peanut butter, almonds, or a handful of nuts. 4. Peeling apples. Many people peel apples without thinking twice. However, most of the fiber, antioxidants, and vitamin C are found in the skin. By peeling away the skin, you're missing out on some of the most beneficial parts of the apple. So next time, skip the peel and enjoy the full nutritional punch. 5. Storing apples improperly. Did you know that apples need to be stored correctly to maintain their freshness? Many people leave them on the counter or in the fridge unwrapped, but apples actually last longer when stored in a cool, dry place, preferably in the fridge's crisper drawer. If you have a lot of apples, try keeping them in a paper bag instead of plastic. This will help them stay fresh and crisp for much longer. 6. Not knowing your apple variety. There are so many different types of apples out there, and each one has its own unique flavor and texture. Some apples are better for snacking, while others are perfect for baking or juicing. If you've been using the same type of apple for everything, you might be missing out. For example, Fuji apples are great for eating raw, while Granny Smith apples are ideal for pies or tart desserts. Get to know your apple varieties and use them wisely. 7. Eating apples with sugary dips or toppings. It's tempting to dip your apple slices in peanut butter or caramel sauce, but these sugary toppings can cancel out the health benefits of the apple. While peanut butter is a good protein source, adding sugary dips to your apples can lead to unnecessary calorie intake and blood sugar spikes. If you want to dip your apple, try hummus or a small amount of natural almond butter for a healthier option. 8. Refrigerating apples with other fruits. Apples release ethylene gas, which speeds up the ripening of other fruits. So if you store apples in the same bowl as bananas, pears, or avocados, you may end up with overripe or mushy fruit faster than you want. Store apples separately or in a well-ventilated area to keep them fresh longer. 9. Not eating apples with the skin on. We've already touched on this one, but it's worth repeating. Eating the skin of the apple is key to getting the most out of your snack. The skin contains up to 6 times more antioxidants than the flesh of the apple, which help fight free radicals in your body. So, next time you grab an apple, skip the peeling and eat it with the skin for a healthy, nutrient-packed treat. Now that you know about these 9 apple eating mistakes, it's time to put these tips into action. Start enjoying apples the right way and maximize the health benefits. You'll feel more energized, waste less food, and truly enjoy the deliciousness that apples bring to the table. Never make these 9 apple eating mistakes again. Eating apples without washing them. Apples often have wax coatings or pesticide residues. Always wash them thoroughly under running water or scrub gently with a produce brush to remove harmful substances. Throwing away the peel. The apple peel contains most of its fiber and antioxidants. Eating it provides additional health benefits, so skip peeling unless necessary. Biting into a bruised apple. Bruises can harbor bacteria or fungi. Inspect your apple and cut away any damaged areas before eating. Storing apples with bananas. Bananas release ethylene gas, which can make apples spoil faster. Store them separately to extend freshness. Eating only sweet varieties. Branch out from classic sweet varieties like Red Delicious. Tart apples like Granny Smith are lower in sugar and better for baking or salads. Discarding the seeds improperly. Apple seeds contain small amounts of amygdalin, which can release cyanide when crushed. While eating a few seeds accidentally is harmless, avoid chewing or consuming large amounts. Not refrigerating apples. Apples last longer in the refrigerator than on the countertop. Keep them in a cool, humid environment to maintain freshness. Skipping apple pairings. Apples pair wonderfully with proteins and fats like peanut butter, cheese, or nuts. Adding these enhances their nutritional value and keeps you full longer. Buying apples out of season. Off-season apples are often stored for months and may lose flavor or nutrients. Choose fresh, local apples during harvest months for the best quality. Bonus tip: store sliced apples in water with a splash of lemon juice to prevent browning and keep them crisp for longer.